lightning storm, but it's not close to us yet. That shit's crazy. It's a big ass cloud. Just lightning out of nowhere, no thunder or nothing, just lightning. Whoa! Damn, over here too. I don't want to miss this lightning show though over here. That motherfucking shit shines crazy. We're in the motherfucking 44. Say what's up, Bree. What's up, Bree? This shit's out of there. Whoa, shit. That shit's coming our way though. That's cool. I got some weed. I'm chilling up in the crib anyway. Yeah. We out. Motherfucking 44. This shit's crazy. Hopefully this shit doesn't come too close. No thunder. Peace.